In this video I will show you how to color halftone effect in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this white color. Down the opacity. Create a new layer. Go to Brush Tool. Adjust the brush size and hardness. Opacity 100%. Flow 100%. Smooth 100%. Foreground color is black. Now we will click this brush on this image. Opacity 100%. Select the first two layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter. Pixelate and choose Color Halftone. Follow these settings. Press OK. Change the blending mode to screen. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.